Thank you for viewing the Confidant RFID Kit 2 installation guide. Tools required will be a small flat screwdriver, a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver, a Torx T20 screwdriver, a 3mm hex key, various drill bits, and needle nose pliers. First, you will need to install the spindle. Make sure that you align the notch if it's a left hand or a right hand. Then insert the spring in the spindle, put the spindle in the lock, and turn to attach to it. Next, attach the clamp spindle clip to the spindle as shown and tighten with the needle nose pliers. Next, install the outside lever by first installing the plastic grommet and then hold down the outside lever against the outside housing while tightening the lever set screw. For rose mount installations only, make sure to align the posts with the mortise and screw them in properly. Now it's time to prepare the inside housing. To adjust the handing, remove the stopper, rotate the handle 180 degrees, and reassemble the stopper. Then in the inside housing, install the spring as shown in the picture. There are 4 different types of installation. Select the installation type that you are using. The first type is a backplate mount with a key override. This installation uses only 2 posts, and make sure that you properly hook up the wires when installing on the door. The second type of installation is a rose mount with key override. This has an option of having either 2 posts or 4 posts. The third type of installation is the backplate mount with no key override. This option only has 2 posts. And the fourth type of installation is a rose mount with no key override, and this option has either 2 or 4 posts. Once the lock is secured to the door, it is time to install the inside trim cover. First, make sure the thumb turn is vertical if applicable. Then slide the cover from the top portion onto the lock and install downwards. Then secure with the set screw. Now install the battery holder and make sure the holder is pushed up fully and is not impeding the cylinder. Then connect the battery pack to the inside of the lock as shown. Now with the door still open, test the lock functionality. First, present a test key card. Check the green and red lights flash. Rotate the outside lever to check the bolt retraction. Release the outside lever, it should move freely. Rotate the inside lever to check bolt retraction, and check bolt projection from the thumb turn and the key. Now you can program your lock using an FDU or the Atlas M unit by plugging in the jack cable as shown. When installing the battery door, make sure not to pinch the battery wires. First, clip the battery door right underneath the handle, then push down and tighten the set screw to secure. For outdoor installations, a gasket can be ordered separately to be installed on the door.